today. Welcome to another episode on Abacus Training with Maths Combat channel. So in the past video, we've done quite a number of lessons. We've done how to count on abacus. We've done how to subtract using the abacus, how to place value. We've done complementary numbers, the 5 complementary numbers, the 10 complementary numbers, and then we are just about wrapping up some parts of this abacus training. And today we're going to be looking at addition of compound complementary numbers. And what do we mean by compound? Compound essentially means a complex structure. So it means you will have a combination of 10 and 5 complementary numbers together. So we're going to be using 5 and 10 component method of solving these numbers together. This is simple. Of course, at the beginning you may find it a bit difficult, but trust me, as you continue to exercise on this, to practice a lot more questions, and then you will find that it becomes easy. We can have a question where we have to apply both 10 and 5 complementary numbers together. You know, sometimes it looks very complex, but I tell you, this is like one of the hardest parts of using abacus. It's also very simple. Like I told you, maths is simple. Numbers are exciting. They are beautiful. If you can stick to them, use them, they are not running away from you, so use them, engage with them, and you'll find that it can be very interesting to work with numbers. Okay, so the first question I have here is 6 plus 7. Okay, let's go. Reset your abacus. If you have not reset your abacus, then this is 6. I want to add 7. You know the rule. If you are adding 7, we'll ask ourselves, what is the 10 component of 7? And that is 3. 10 component of 7 is 3. So I'm supposed to add 10 and then remove 3. So if I add 10 here, I want to remove 3 here. But it's not possible for me to remove 3 here. So what am I going to do? I will apply 5 component rule because I have 5 there. So I will ask again, because I want to remove 3, I will say, what is the 5 component of 3? That is 2. So if I want to remove 3, I can remove 5 and then add the 5 component of 3, which is 2. Then 6 plus 7 becomes 13. 13. And that's it. It's as simple as that. You know, it's as simple as that. So let's go ahead. I can put that on the board and say, I have 13. Yeah, 1, 3. That's the answer to that. Next on the list is 5 plus 6. So we can easily reset our abacus and say 5. We want to add 6. You know the rule? What's the 10 component of 6? 4. So we're supposed to add 10 and then remove 4. You can go ahead and add 10. Yes. You want to remove 4 now. How do you remove 4? We don't have 4 to remove on the unit rod, but we have 5. So we can say what's the 5 component of 4? That's 1. So I can remove 5 and then add 1. Simple, isn't it? So we have 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Of course, you know that 5 plus 6 is 11. 5 plus 6, 11. What about 7 plus 7? 7 plus 7. You can use your abacus. Let's go again. 7, that's 7. I want to add 7 to it. To add 7 to it, I ask myself the question, what is the 10 component of 7? 10 component of 7 is 3. So I'm supposed to add 10 and then remove 3 from here. But I cannot remove 3 from here. I need to remove 5 and then add the 5 component of 3. What's 5 component of 3? 2. So I remove 5 and then add 2. Then 7 plus 7 becomes 14. You see? 14. Very beautiful. You will see when we begin to apply in bulk of numbers all of the concepts that I've been learning at the beginning of this abacus. Again, let's go 6 plus 6. Very quickly. 6 plus 6. 10 component of 6 is 4. So add 10, remove 4. I don't have 4. So remove 5, add 1. Because the 5 component of 4 is 1. So 6 plus 6 is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. It's getting more interesting. 5 plus 8 now. 5 plus 8. Again, let's go. 5. I want to add 8. I ask myself, what's 10 component of 8? That's 2. So I add 10 and I remove 2. How do I remove 2 from 5? If I remove 2 from 5, I will ask myself, what's the 5 component of 2? That's 3. It means I will remove 5 and then add 3, which makes 5 plus 8, 13. 5 plus 8, 13. Isn't it beautiful? Very beautiful. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. Let's go again. Reset your abacus. 8 plus 6. You know, you want to add 6 to this. You ask yourself, what's the 10 component of 6? 10 component of 6 is 4. Then you add 10. You remove 4. How do you remove 4? You don't have 4 there, but you have 5. You can remove 5 and add the component of 4. Remove 5. The component of 4 is 1. You know, so 8 plus 6 is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, getting interesting. 15 plus 26. 15 plus 26. So we want to get to some bigger numbers now. 15, 1, 5 plus 2, 6. Here we had 2, here we had 6. So had 2 here, beautiful. You want to add 6 here. But you know, in adding 6, you ask yourself, what's the 10 component of 6? 4. So to add 10 component of 6, which is 4, I have to add 10 and then remove 4 from here. To remove 4, I need to ask myself, what's the 5 component of 4? That's 1. I will add 1 and remove 5. You know, so 15 plus 26 is 41. Beautiful. 41. 15 plus 26 is 41. Again, I want to go 58 plus 16. What's 58 plus 16? You set your abacus and then you place 5 here and you place 8 here. We have 58. Then you want to add 1, 6. Very simple. Add 1 here, add 6 here. To add 6, we need to add 10 and then remove 4. Because the 10 component of 6 is 4. So we need to add 10 and then remove 4. We cannot remove 4 here except we apply 5 component. What's the 5 component of 4? That's 1. So we add 1, we remove 5. You know, we add 1, we remove 5, and then we have 74. 74. Yes, again, 76 plus 17. Let's go again. 76 plus 17. 76 plus 1, 7. I can add 1 here. To add 7 here, 10 components of 7 is 3. Okay, so I can add 10, subtract 3 from here. To remove 3, I will need to remove 5 and add 2. Okay, it's getting even easier. So at this point we have 93. 76 plus 17 is 93. 36 plus 25. Let's go. 36 plus 25. Okay, 3, 6 plus 2, 5. For me to add 2 here, I need to use the 5 component. Okay, to add 2 here, what's the 5 component of 2? 3. So it means I will add 5 and remove 3. Okay, now I need to add 5 here to complete this question. To add 5 here, what is the 10 component of 5? Is 5. So I will add 10 and remove 5. So my answer is 61. You see, it's getting interesting. Please grab your abacus, do these exercises with me. Next question on the list is 85. 85 plus 28. So to add 2 to this rod, we need to ask ourselves, what's the 10 component of 2? And that is 8. So it means I add 10, I remove 8. Then I have to add 8 to this place. I have to ask myself, what is 10 component of 8? That's 2. I have to add 10 and remove 2. If I have to remove 2 here, what's the 5 component of 2? 3. I remove 5, I add 3. So 85 plus 28 is 113. You know, I hope this gets more clearer as you continue with this. We're just 4 questions to go. 55 plus 26. 55 plus 26. 55 plus 26. I have 55 there. Then I can add 2 here. To add 6 here, the 10 component of 6 is 4. So I add 10. I want to remove 4 here. The 5 component of 4 is 1. I add 1, I remove 5. So 55 plus 26 is 81. It gets to the point where you will not even need to use your abacus anymore. You can use your fingers and you get your answers straight on. 27 plus 86. Let's go. 27 plus 27. This is 27 plus 86. So I want to add 8 here. To add 8 here, I need to add 10 and subtract 2. Beautiful. I want to add 6 here. To add 6 here, I need to add 10 and subtract 4. Add 10, subtract 4. To subtract 4, I need to subtract 5 and add 1. Subtract 5 and add 1. Beautiful. 1, 1, 3. 1, 1, 3. So 38 plus 96 now. 38 plus 96. 38 plus 96. To add 9 here, add 10, remove 1. I've added 9. To add 6 here, add 10, remove 4. Add 10, remove 4. To remove 4, I need to remove 5 and add 1. Yeah? And then I have 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 3, 4. And then finally, we have 77 plus 66. 77 plus 66. Add 6 here. Add 10, remove 4. To remove 4, you remove 5, you add 1. To add 6 here again, add 10, remove 4. To remove 4 here, you subtract 5, you add 1. So the final answer is 143. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the subtraction of compound complementary numbers. Comment there. If you don't have the workbook, get a copy of the workbook, connect in the communities. You'll find a lot of other videos that are available for your learning, a lot of other materials that are available for your learning, and then you'll be glad that you did. Thank you very much.